Hello everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of my Roses Are Black recording. The process of blocking in the scarf's pattern is a crucial initial step in this painting's journey. By meticulously laying out the foundational elements, I aim to establish a solid framework that captures the essence of the design. This meticulous attention to detail is not only a testament to my dedication, but also a strategic move to pave the way for subsequent stages of the creative process. As I delve into the intricate task of blocking in the pattern, my primary objective is to ensure that every element falls into its rightful place. This phase demands concentration and precision, as I strive to create a harmonious arrangement that lays the groundwork for the scarf's visual narrative. The focus remains unwavering, directed solely towards achieving a cohesive composition. When the initial blocking in is finally completed, I will have the opportunity to step back during the first layer's drying time. This intentional pause in the process serves as a valuable opportunity for reflection and assessment. By gaining some distance, both physically and metaphorically, I will gain a fresh perspective on the work in progress. This distance allows for a more comprehensive evaluation of the interplay between colors, shapes, and proportions. During this contemplative moment, I will start to plan the next steps with a keen eye on enhancing the three-dimensional quality of the scarf. The consideration of highlights and shadows becomes paramount, as they are skillfully manipulated to breathe life into the design. As an artist, you need to envision a dynamic interplay of light and shadow, strategically applied to infuse your artwork with a sense of depth and realism. And finally, I'm ready to start my first pass of the tattoos. At this stage, I will be focusing only on painting the line work over my still visible ink reference. This pivotal stage marks the inception of bringing the envisioned artwork to life, with my focus honed exclusively on delicately painting in the intricate lines. The still visible ink reference serves as my guiding beacon, dictating the contours and shapes that will soon become a permanent element resting on the skin. Immersing myself in the meticulous task at hand, my mind becomes a realm of creative exploration, ceaselessly envisioning the end result. Every stroke of the brush is a dance between imagination and technique, with a constant forward-thinking process guiding me through the artistic labyrinth. In this immersive state, I find myself not only executing the immediate task, but also mentally preparing for the unfolding layers of the painting. As I meticulously navigate the canvas, my thoughts are a symphony of strategic planning, contemplating the upcoming stages and the optimal approaches to tackle each facet. This mindful preparation is not just about executing a task. It is a mental ballet of problem-solving and adaptability. The intricate dance between creativity and pragmatism ensures that I am equipped to face the challenges that lie ahead in the painting process. Being an artist is an ever-evolving journey, and I relish the uniqueness that each painting brings. Despite mastering certain tasks and rituals that become second nature, the inherent nature of art ensures that each canvas is a distinct entity, presenting its own set of challenges and opportunities. It is within these moments of challenge that our skills undergo metamorphosis, and we, as artists, experience growth. The love for this dynamic aspect of painting fuels my passion as I embrace not just the brush strokes, but the continuous evolution of my craft. The tattoo is not a static creation, it is a narrative unfolding, and my role as an artist is to guide its evolution. As the design fuses with skin tones and the tattoo begins to take shape, I find solace in the knowledge that this process is not just about the destination, it's about the transformative journey. With every completed stage of the artwork, I not only leave a lasting imprint on the canvas, but also on the canvas of my own artistic evolution. The challenges, the triumphs, and the ever-unfolding creative narrative make each new painting not just a work of art, but a testament to the perpetual growth and resilience inherent in the heart of every artist. With areas of the painting masked off, I'm now ready to paint the next layer of the dynamic element to the background. My aim with this darker tone is not just to add weight to this area of the painting, making it act like an anchor if you wish, but it also creates more balance to the overall composition. It has become somewhat of a trademark design element in my approach to painting portraits, and although not always added, it is something I like to do when I feel a painting will benefit. Further refining, I'm adding an extra layer of intricacy to the scarf's pattern within my composition. With meticulous attention to detail, I ensure that each element of the scarf's design seamlessly integrates into the natural folds and contours created as it envelops the model's head. This isn't just about embellishment, it's about transforming what was once a flat color on canvas into a convincing portrayal of three-dimensional reality. By harmonizing the scarf's pattern with the organic movements of the fabric, I strive to imbue it with a sense of belonging within the painting. Each stroke of the brush is carefully orchestrated to enhance the depth and dimensionality of the scarf, drawing the viewer into a world where every detail feels tangible and alive. Returning to the tattoos for their second pass now, this marks a pivotal juncture in the creative process, where the canvas comes alive with the introduction of shading. As I delve into this phase, my approach mirrors the finesse one might employ when rendering with a graphite pencil on paper, aiming for a visual effect that transcends the medium. This transition allows me to infuse the tattoos with depth, texture, and a level of intricacy that goes beyond mere ink on skin. In this pass, the artistry unfolds in a manner reminiscent of a pencil sketching session. Each stroke carries the weight of intention, and with a meticulous hand, I build up the shaded areas with a careful consideration of light and shadow. The delicate dance between the two not only adds dimension to the tattoos, but also creates a dynamic interplay that brings the imagery to life. The shades, like whispered secrets, contribute to the storytelling aspect of the design, revealing layers of meaning and symbolism. The analogy to a graphite pencil extends beyond technique. It encompasses a philosophy that embraces subtlety and finesse. The careful layering process unfolds akin to the way a pencil artist patiently builds up tones and textures on paper. It's an exploration of the nuances within the art form, seeking to capture the essence of the subject matter with an authenticity that transcends the surface. Crucially, in this phase, my focus shifts toward the art of omission as much as inclusion. The highlighted areas, left intentionally less rendered, echo a common approach in tattooing, where the inherent skin tones play a pivotal role in defining highlights. This strategic decision not only streamlines the creative process, but also allows for a symbiotic relationship between the ink design and the natural canvas it adorns. Continuing to refine the scarf, I delve into further enhancements, infusing it with intricate details that enrich its texture and depth. As the painting progresses, I find myself more mobile, navigating around the canvas with a keen eye for any areas that demand additional attention, building up a mental to-do list, noting areas that require refinement or adjustment to achieve the desired level of realism and coherence. This stage of the process is about bringing all the elements together seamlessly. It's a dynamic dance between observation and execution, as I methodically weave together each brushstroke to enhance the overall narrative and visual impact of the painting. In this fluid state of creative flow, I immerse myself in the intricacies of the work, channeling my focus and energy into every nuanced detail. With each passing moment, the painting evolves, inching closer towards its ultimate realization. a testament to the transformative power of dedication and artistic vision. As I approach the final stages of this painting, I turn my attention to the shoulder tattoo, giving it a final pass to refine and enhance certain areas, infusing them with added depth and realism. Each stroke of the brush is deliberate as I strive to bring out the intricate details that make the tattoo truly come to life. It's a process of fine-tuning, of adding those final touches that elevate the painting to its fullest potential and bring the subject's story to vivid fruition. Reflecting on the journey of painting this lady, I'm filled with a sense of satisfaction and joy. Each brushstroke has been a labor of love, a testament to my passion for the craft and dedication to capturing the essence of my subject. I hope that as you've watched and listened to my insights, you've gained a deeper understanding of my painting process and perhaps gleaned some inspiration for your own creative endeavors. Stay tuned for links to my website and social media at the end, plus a sneak peek of what's to come in my next video. Thank you once again for joining me on this creative journey. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. So here's to endless inspiration and happy creativity ahead.